Welcome back to Kungana Chingeto 90, brought to you by Tixozo Media, episode 22. Your body may be young, but your spirit is old. We share a name that has been in our bloodline for years, and with it comes a gift. Urimuchembere, simbarako uchariziwa. As for how to do the rituals, you will know. Trust me. She closes her eyes and her breathing slows down. I hold my breath thinking she's passed on, but she squeezes my hand one last time. I loved you like you were mine, and in a way you were. Achiworo, all will be well. We shall meet again in the spirit realm. I love you. I lean down and she places one last kiss on my forehead. Haura sike jauri, uri jira mchembere. Machena gogo. Manake mwana wangu. I cry with my head on her chest as I see life leave her body. I cry for the woman who loved, taught, and cared for me. I cry knowing I've lost my best friend and death has no return. I step out of the hut and see the villagers sitting outside. Raising my hand, I show them the chimbo she always walked around with. An intricate piece that had the white hair of a cow's tail on top and cowrie shells around it. I lift my hand and the chimbo and then bring it back to the ground with force. They all kneel before me, some crying at the loss, others rejoicing for their sister that has transitioned. Looking to the waters, I hear a voice tell me, "'Tis your time now, Shida." Thank you.